What's up guys, it's Japa Rico here, and now for the Bitcoin and altcoin prices. What is going to happen to Bitcoin? What is going to happen to other coins? I'm going to show you guys all my price points, all my entries, all my exits, and especially right now guys, something really important is going to happen. It's emergency. I say emergency every time, but now it's really emergency because something is going to happen, is a big rally that is about to happen. I'm going to show you exactly why I think a big rally is going to happen, and I'm pretty sure it's going to happen soon. And why is that? Because if you take a look at TradingView guys, what you can see from the charts is one thing. I was looking at the ATR, and you guys know that I always talk about the ATR here on this channel. So let's take a look at the ATR because something is very interesting guys. If you look at the ATR right now, you can see that the value of the ATR is only about 729.72, okay? And it's pretty low guys. So if you see what happens before a huge push down, so when price was exactly here, the value of the ATR was exactly here, a very small value guys, so that anticipates a huge push down. So the huge push down happened here, okay, and the ATR went all the way up, okay. So and then after that ATR went to about 1,351.99. so I'm not sure if you guys understand it. So every time there is a push down, like a huge push down or a huge push up, okay, that value of the ATR has to go really low like this, okay. So if you take a look, when the value of the ATR was like this, price was not going anywhere here. And then on the next candle, when price actually went all the way, you can see the value of the ATR also soared like hell, okay. And what happens is that here's another example. So here the value of the ATR was really low. And then after that, like price, like the value of the ATR went a bit, okay? So it precedes, right? It precedes a huge, at this time not that big though, okay? So not that big, but price went all the way from here, all the way to here, okay? So it's another rally. And you can see the price is stuck here at somewhere here, right? So it's not going, like it's just accumulating around this area. So it's not really going up, neither going down. But what you can see guys is the value of the ATR. So if you can see, it's in a historic low value, okay? So it just reached the previous low here, right? So the value of the ATR is pretty low compared to the past, okay? And what does exactly mean? It means that it's preceding a huge move. We don't know if it's like up or down, okay? But what I can tell you guys is that if you look at the, let's now look at the SSL. For those who don't know, SSL is this channel, is this one here, okay? So if you look at the settings, you just have to press this and you see here the settings. I have a period of 10 for the upper band and another period of 10 for the lower band, okay? So what does that mean? The upper band is this, let me maximize this, okay? Let me enlarge it. So the theory guys says that if the green line crosses up, the red line going down, the green line going up, that means a buy signal. So it just had a buy signal just a few hours ago. So that was like 8 hours ago, right? Because we're on the third candle after, okay? So I always tell you guys that look at the candle that closed. So this candle doesn't count, this one doesn't count because it hasn't closed yet. So you need to look at the previous two candles, okay? So after this candle, after this one, let me show you guys. So after this candle, guys, this white candle closed was the first time that the green line crossed the red line, the green line going up and the red line going down. So after that, we have like two candles, okay, two candles. And you can see that, well, I could have entered here, which I actually did. And I'm going to show you guys, I entered here, guys. I entered here on this candle because it's the candle that the first candle after the cross was confirmed. Okay, so the cross was confirmed, and you see the price is being traded above the dragon and above the 200 EMA. Okay, so it's more likely that price is going up from this point. Okay, and let me talk about, I would like to talk about, I would like to have some time here right now to talk about my mistakes. I made a mistake because I was only looking at the PVSRA. So I told you guys a few days ago that when we were reaching this level here, right, with this light blue candle, and I told you guys that the light blue candle was not able to cross the dragon, okay, was not able to go beyond this level of the dragon. So it failed to break the dragon, and I told you guys the price would eventually like keep going down. It turned out that I was wrong. So price continued to go up after this blue candle. So price continued to raise, right? And then made a correction and is raising again, okay? And why was Japa Rico wrong? Like, why was I wrong about it? Is because, guys, I didn't think about the SSL. That's why from now on I will always have double confirmation, not only using PVSRA but also using SSL, because here, guys, if you look at the SSL is telling you that this is a bullish move, okay, from now on, from this point going beyond. Why? Because you have here a cross. So here you have the green line going up and this red line going down. So there is a cross here. And whenever the green line goes up, crossing the red line, okay, that means it's a buy signal. So even though the PVS area was telling me, oh, okay, so price will go down, so I should have entered a long, I should have entered a buy position. I should have initiated a buy position here, which I didn't. Like instead, I shorted. So I started a sell. I opened a sell position, and I lost some money. I'm going to show you guys. I'm always very transparent with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how much I lost and why I opened a new position here. So I lost some money here, okay? Because I sold it and I lost some money, and here I sold it again, okay, and I also lost some money here, and here I bought again, okay. I'm gonna show you guys exactly why, and let's take a look at my account first. So here on Bybit, guys, let me explain to you guys about, yeah, so I made a lot of mistakes and I'm not really ashamed, because you guys know that I don't really have much experience with cryptocurrency. Like I know Forex, I know the stock market, but with cryptocurrency, I don't have much experience, and I was always transparent with you guys. So let's take a look at my position right now. It's losing 1.37 US dollars, it's minus 2.74%. My entry price was $48,505.50. If you take a look at all positions, so I can show you here, if I click on realized profit and loss, so you can see, guys, that I have this I close a short losing 10 US dollars, almost 11 US dollars. I have another position that was a long position close with minus 6.55 US dollars. I have a short position. So that short position and this long position are the ones that I showed you just before, guys. And I had another long position that I closed with a profit of $5. And I have, before that, I have another long position where I lost 28 US dollars. Okay, so after all, I'm losing most of the positions that I closed. I only made money in one position, and I lost money in 1, 2, 3, 4 positions so far. Okay, let's see what's going to happen with the position that is still open, which is this position, guys. So I'm not really sure what is going to happen. So right now I'm losing 2.73%, and as you can see, guys, I was always transparent with you guys. don't hide anything, always showing like all the wins, all the losses. But what is more important, guys, is the risk management. So far, as you can see, there are more losses, and in terms of money as well, there are more losses. So what is going to happen from now on? We are going to not only follow PVSRA, but also follow like double confirmation using PVSRA and SSL. Let's see if that's going to help us on our trades or not. We don't really know. It's the first time, guys, that I'm actually doing this strategy for the 4-hour chart. Okay, usually I used to use for the daily chart, and I got some results with that. After all, it's not really was not really a good result, but I was most of the time I was trading using the daily chart. So let's see, now that I changed it to the 4-hour chart, let's see what is going to happen. I'm going to show you guys everything here. Please write in the comments section below if you like to, if something was not clear, if you need some additional, if you need some additional explanation, just write in the comment section below. Say, oh, Japa Rico, I need this explanation. I didn't understand how to use your indicator. I didn't understand how to use your strategies. Please give me some more detailed information, anything like that, okay? So if you like this video, please share with your friends, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks again, and goodbye.